Hey, Year 7s. Believe it or not, my third time trying to record this video, so hopefully this time I get it. Write the complement of each event below. So today we're going to be talking about complementary events. When you see the word complement, think of the idea of opposites. You're going to be thinking of the opposite of each of these events. So a cloudy day tomorrow, what's the opposite of a cloudy day tomorrow? Well, it would be probably a sunny day. If it's at a cold day tomorrow, maybe a warm day would be an example of that as well. So if we were to talk about selecting a white chocolate from a box containing white and brown chocolates, we're selecting a white chocolate. What's the complement to that? We'll be selecting a brown chocolate. Yeah, that's a bad A. There we go, better. Sometimes it's not as easy as these two examples I've just given you. So if I said rolling a 6 on a dice, what would be the complement of rolling a 6? Well, it'd be rolling a 5, a 4, a 3, a 2, or a 1 would be the complement of rolling a 6. To review from yesterday, so this is a lot of review, if we were to talk about a pack of 20 cards, so we're keeping the total here, that pack of 20 cards contains 10 reds, 6 yellows, and 3 red cards, or sorry, 3 green cards. I'll read someday. 1 card is drawn from the pack at random. So we have to find the probability that each card is yellow. So remember, we write the P to start things out, and we go brackets yellow. The total amount of cards we have in the deck is 20. How many of those are yellow? So that's pretty easy. It's 6 out of 20. So that first one's pretty easy. The second one is not yellow, the complement of yellow. So the P, I'm just going to do that as A. I'm just going to go B right here. So we want the probability of not yellow. So we have 20 total cards still, and so if you look, we've got green and red, they're not yellow. What's 10 plus 4 is 14. And similarly to what we did yesterday, I can probably divide those each by 2 to get 7 out of 10 to reduce that down. So that's the probability of choosing a not yellow card. If we go C, we figure the probability of getting something that's the complement of green or not green. That would be still 20 total cards in the deck. And what is red and yellow are not green, so it's 10 plus 6. That's 16 out of 20, and I bet you I could reduce that down to 8 out of 10, which both even numbers, so I could reduce it again. So they're both even numbers. I can reduce it again to 4 out of 5. Sorry if that's getting a little messy. And that would be probability. So example 3, find the complement of each of the following events. Selecting a red card from a deck of playing cards. Well, a deck of playing cards contains 2 types of cards, red cards or selecting a black card. So selecting a black card would be the complement of selecting a red card. Rolling 2 dice and getting a number greater than 9. So if we were to say greater than 9, think of it this way. So if we have 9, and it's any number that is greater than 9. So any number that's greater than 9. So what we're going to do is we want to think of all the numbers that are not greater than 9. Or all the numbers that are not greater than 9. So I'm just going to erase that away. What are the numbers that are not greater than 9? So, well, obviously, for dice, we can roll 1. Oh, no, we can't roll a 1. We can roll a 2 with a dice. If we have 2 dice, you can't roll a 1. So just, you can roll a 2, you can roll a 3, you can roll a 4, you can roll a 5, you can roll a 6, you can roll a 7, you can roll an 8. Is that all the numbers that we can roll that are not greater than 9? Well, 9 is also not greater than 9. So that would be the complete set of complementary possibilities you could get with 2 dice, not just 1 dice. And that's why 1 is not a possibility, because you can't roll a 1 with 2 dice. You can get snake eyes to get 2, but you can't roll a 1. It's impossible. Finally, C, selecting a red marble from a bag with 30 marbles. This one's a little tricky. They don't tell you what all the other colors are. So with this one, you would say not selecting a red marble. So with this complement, because we don't have any other information, we can be general. But in other times where we have specific information that you can know, you have to be specific. So you can see I've been specific here, and that should help you out do your practice. I hope you're all doing well.